Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file custody papers without a lawyer. First, research your state's specific custody laws and the forms required by your local court. Many courts offer self-help resources or online guides to assist you. Next, collect all relevant personal and financial documents, such as birth certificates and income statements. This preparation ensures you have everything needed before you begin filling out the paperwork. Once you have the correct forms, fill them out carefully. Pay close attention to detail, ensuring all names, addresses, and dates are accurate. Incomplete or incorrect forms can cause delays. After completing the forms, make several copies. You will need one for yourself, one for the other parent, and one for the court. With your forms ready, take them to the court clerk's office to file them. Be prepared to pay the filing fees, which can vary, or apply for a fee waiver if you qualify. After filing, you must legally serve the other parent with copies of the documents. This ensures they are officially notified of the custody action. Follow your court's specific rules for proper service. After filing and service, you will likely have a court hearing or mediation. It is crucial to attend all scheduled appearances. Be prepared to present your case clearly and respectfully to the judge, focusing on the child's best interests. Remember, the court's primary concern is the well-being of the children involved. For more helpful tips and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, look for the link and other deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.